Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I personally add stocks to my watch list on Google Finance and how I keep track of investments I'm interested in. When I open up Google Finance, I usually navigate to my watch list section where I can either create a new list or use an existing one to track stocks I'm monitoring. Once I'm inside my watch list, I can easily add investments by searching for a company or ticker symbol that I'm interested in. For example, if I'm researching a company like Apple Inc., I can quickly add it to my list and start tracking its performance over time. What I really like about using a watch list is how it helps me stay organized. Instead of constantly searching for the same stocks, I can keep everything in one place and monitor price changes, trends, and updates more efficiently. This flexibility makes it a practical tool whether I'm actively investing or just researching the market. Overall, using a watch list on Google Finance helps me stay informed, save time, and make better decisions based on the stocks I'm following. So yeah, that's how I add a stock to my watch list on Google Finance. It's very simple, very straightforward, and incredibly useful once you start using it regularly. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.